In your arms I found my peace, a love so true it will never leave. You are my forever home, the place where I belong. In your eyes I see my life, where my heart